How to do a quick zoom in CapCut. So this is very easy. All you have to do is to open your CapCut, launch your CapCut application, and then all you have to do is to press the video. And then here you can see this diamond icon here. You just have to tap it one. Okay, so that means starting here, I have to zoom in the video. Okay, so what you're going to do is to adjust the video, tap the video and zoom it in. Okay, so if I'm going to play it, this is the result. Now, if you want to zoom out, you just have to tap the video again, click this diamond icon here, okay, and then zoom out. Okay, so the result will be like this. Okay, now you can do that to all of your videos if you want. So let's just say I want to zoom in these trees or the view of the trees here. All I have to do is to click this diamond icon again, tap the video first, click this diamond icon. Okay, zoom in the video. I trust the video. Okay, and then click play and then tap this diamond icon again and then zoom out. So the result is like this. Okay, so that's it. Now you can also add some effects or filters here. Now, if you can't see this diamond icon, there are tons of ways on how to add zoom in, zoom out effects here. You just have to go or look for effects. And then what you're going to do is just simply search for zoom in or zoom out effect. Okay, so tap the video and then search for effects. This one, okay, video effects, and then search for zoom. Okay, let me type zoom and then search. Then here are the results. So all you have to do is to click any of the zoom effects here. Just in case you can't see that diamond effect in CapCut. So that's how to do a quick zoom in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.